English-Danish past tense. I did.
Jeg gjorde.
And make.
Lave.
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey there, ready for a fun Danish power-up? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll master the Danish past of do and make.
Gjorde.
And.
Lavede.
Your goal today. By the end, you'll talk about yesterday like a pro. We'll nail the Danish past of to do and to make, so you can brag, confess, and celebrate fast. Forms at a glance. Repeat after me, keep it punchy. I did.
Jeg gjorde.
We did.
Vi gjorde.
It made.
Det gjorde.
He made.
Han lavede.
She made.
Hun lavede.
You, plural, made.
I lavede.
They made.
De lavede.
To make, base.
Lave.
Mini dialogues. Let's drop these into tiny scenes you can steal. A. Did you finish the report? B. Yes.
Jeg gjorde.
Det I morges. A. Who baked this cake? B.
Han lavede.
Den. A. And the plan? B.
Hun lavede.
En plan, og.
Det gjorde.
En stor forskel. A. Team update? B.
Vi gjorde.
Vores bedst, og.
De lavede.
Presentationen. A. Be honest, who made the playlist? B.
I lavede.
Den til mig. Culture tip. Lego and Hygge. Here's a cozy hook you won't forget. Think Lego and cake. In Denmark, you make lots of things with.
Lave. Lave med.
Make food, or
Lave en plan.
make a plan. After a handball win, fans shout.
Vi gjorde.
Det, we did it. Rapid fire drills. Echo me with energy, clap if you must. Say, I did it.
Jeg gjorde.
Det. Say, we did it.
Vi gjorde.
Det. Say, it made a difference.
Det gjorde.
En forskel. Say, he made dinner.
Han lavede.
Aftensmad. Say, she made a plan.
Hun lavede.
En plan. Say, you, plural, made the cake.
I lavede.
Kagan. Say, they made a mistake.
De lavede.
En fell. Bonus. To make, infinitive.
Lave.
Quiz time. Quick quiz, trust your gut. Translate to Danish. We did our best. Answer.
Vi gjorde.
Vores bedst. Which one means he made? A.
Han gør.
B.
Han lavede.
C.
Han gjorde.
Answer. B.
Han lavede.
Fill the blank. Yesterday, underscore 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 and store forskel. Answer.
Det gjorde.
En stor forskel. Danish for you, plural, made. Answer.
I lavede.
Base verb for make. Answer.
Lave.
Final challenge. Ready for a victory lap? Say it smoothly. Tell the story in Danish. She made a plan, he made dinner, and we did it. Model.
Hun lavede.
En plan.
Han lavede.
Aftensmad, og.
Vi gjorde.
Det. Now add. They made the playlist, and it made the party fun. Model.
De lavede.
Playlisten, og.
Det gjorde.
Festen sjov. Thank you and next steps. Nice work, your Danish just leveled up. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these chunks daily and you'll own the past tense of
gøre,
and.
lave.
This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.